Do you find yourself struggling to set aside money for emergencies, no matter how hard you try? What if I told you that there's a smarter way to build an emergency fund quickly, even on a tight budget? Most people think they need to save for months or years to have a cushion. But what if I told you there are smart and simple steps you can take to build your emergency fund much faster than you think? In today's video, we'll go over 8 smart steps that can help you establish an emergency fund quickly without the stress of traditional saving methods. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear action plan to start saving for emergencies, even if you're starting from scratch. Let's dive in. 1. Set several smaller savings goals. When you think about building an emergency fund, it's easy to get overwhelmed by the large sum you need to save. The idea of saving 3 to 6 month expenses can seem like a distant dream, especially when you're just starting out. But instead of trying to save the entire amount right away, consider setting smaller, more achievable goals to break down the larger task. For instance, instead of aiming for $10,000, try breaking it down into manageable milestones, maybe $1,000, $500, or even $250. By creating smaller goals, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment each time you hit a target, and it will make the process feel less intimidating. Starting with a smaller goal allows you to focus on progress rather than the overall daunting amount. Once you've achieved your first smaller goal, celebrate it. This keeps you motivated to continue. The key here is that small wins build momentum, and with every milestone, you're moving closer to your bigger target. As you reach these goals, you'll gain confidence and a sense of empowerment. The process of saving, even in small amounts, shows you that you are capable of achieving the things you set out to do. The steady progress helps you stay focused on the bigger picture. And as you see your savings grow, the larger goal starts to feel more attainable. Don't rush the process. Remember, it's the small, consistent steps that lead to significant results over time. The more you stick to these smaller savings goals, the closer you get to financial security. 2. Start with small, regular contributions. One of the most common mistakes people make when saving for emergencies is thinking they need to save large amounts of money all at once. While it's understandable to want to reach your goal quickly, saving in smaller, consistent amounts can be far more effective in the long run. Start by contributing an amount that comfortably fits your budget, even if it's as small as $5, $20, or $50 per week or month. The key here is consistency. Saving smaller amounts regularly is far more sustainable than trying to save large sums sporadically. By committing to frequent, smaller contributions, you're not only building a habit of saving, but you're also avoiding the stress of trying to make large deposits that may feel like a financial burden. The beauty of this approach is that it requires minimal effort to stay on track. Over time, these regular contributions will compound, and you'll see your savings grow without the need for constant monitoring. Another advantage of starting with smaller contributions is that you don't have to drastically alter your lifestyle or sacrifice essential spending. It could be as simple as cutting back on dining out, skipping one coffee run a week, or eliminating an unnecessary subscription. These little sacrifices may seem small, but they add up significantly over time and help build your emergency fund steadily. As your financial situation improves and you gain more confidence in your saving ability, you can gradually increase the amount you're setting aside. This steady, incremental progress will bring you closer to reaching your emergency savings goal faster than you may have imagined. 3. Automate your savings. One of the easiest ways to build your emergency fund without thinking about it is by automating your savings. Set up a separate savings account specifically for your emergency fund and automate regular transfers from your checking account or direct deposit. This way, the money is taken out of your account automatically, and you don't need to worry about making a decision to save. The best part? You won't be tempted to spend it because it's out of sight, out of mind. With automation, you don't have to manually move the funds around, and the process becomes effortless. You can set it up so that a fixed amount is automatically deducted every week, bi-weekly, or monthly, directly from your paycheck. Another benefit is that you don't have to think about your savings because the system works for you. It's a passive approach that makes it easy for you to build your emergency savings without actively trying. As time passes, the balance will grow, and you'll find that it was much easier than you initially thought. Once set up, you can focus on other aspects of your financial life, knowing that your emergency savings are building steadily in the background. 4. Don't increase monthly spending or open new credit cards. Once you've started building your emergency fund, it's crucial to resist the temptation to increase your spending or open new credit cards, even if you've started saving. This mindset can quickly derail your progress and set you back to square one. For instance, if you manage to save $100 per month, but then spent that money on buying a new gadget or signed up for a monthly subscription, you aren't truly saving. This is a common trap many people fall into when they start saving, thinking that because they are saving, they can afford to splurge. It's essential to maintain a disciplined approach to your spending and not allow your savings to become an excuse for overspending. The key here is moderation. While saving is a priority, it's important not to treat it as an excuse to indulge in unnecessary purchases. It's easy to convince yourself that because you're saving, you deserve to reward yourself. But that reward could derail your long-term goal. Take a hard look at your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. For example, instead of dining out multiple times a week, try cooking at home or finding more budget-friendly meal options. If you're buying new clothes or gadgets every month, it may be time to pause and evaluate what you truly need versus what you simply want. The sooner you reach your emergency fund target, the greater peace of mind you'll have. Keeping your spending low while consistently saving will help you build a solid foundation for financial security. By maintaining a balance, you'll reach your savings goal faster and more efficiently. You'll feel more in control of your financial future. 5. Don't oversave. While building a solid emergency fund is crucial for financial security, it's equally important not to oversave. Saving too much in a low-interest account, once you've reached your emergency fund goal, can actually work against your long-term wealth-building potential. The goal of an emergency fund is to ensure you have enough liquidity to cover unexpected expenses. But once you've saved 3 to 6 months of living expenses, it's time to shift your focus elsewhere. If you continue contributing to a low-yield savings account after reaching your emergency fund goal, you're missing out on opportunities for your money to grow faster. Instead of saving more in a savings account that only offers minimal interest, you should begin redirecting those funds into investments with higher returns. Consider contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or an IRA, both of which allow your money to grow tax-deferred. Investing these funds will allow you to build wealth more effectively over time. By moving your focus from saving to investing, you're ensuring that your money works for you in the long run. While your emergency fund provides a cushion, it's your investments that will drive future wealth. This strategy keeps your finances balanced, ensuring your immediate security is covered while also focusing on your future growth. Once your emergency fund is built, shift gears to wealth accumulation and make your money work harder for you. There you have it. By following these 5 steps, you can build your emergency fund quickly and effectively. Set smaller, achievable goals, automate your savings, and don't overspend or oversave once you've reached your target. These simple habits will empower you to be financially secure and prepared for unexpected expenses. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips to help you secure your financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.